Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know this is going to be kind of weird. I'm filming this on my phone right now just because I don't have the time and the patience to set up my big camera. You guys know what I'm talking about, the D34. I know it's been a bit. I've been getting over a cold. The weather has been brutal. It's been up, down. So all of us are getting sick pretty much, and I had like a really nasty cold I couldn't get rid of, so that's why I didn't film. So my Instagram video I put up the other day is kind of just an impromptu style, like first impressions video. So if my hair looks a little crazy, I'm in the process of touching it up for a wedding, which is my best friend Christine's wedding, who I've mentioned before, and I'll also be doing her makeup for her, which is kind of like an honor, because this is me. I was walking out in the heat the other day. We had like a 60-degree day, and then all of a sudden it shot up to 85, and I walked home from work, and it takes me about 45 minutes to an hour. And I'm not really good with the heat because I'm a bigger person, and I'm very pale. Only thing, I didn't get burnt. I did get very heat sick. I wasn't the normal heat sick, which was good. I just had a headache the rest of the day, and my body just wouldn't cool down. Let's just get into it. I'm not even going to bother with a primer today because I'm not really going to have this on super long. I just need something that doesn't make me look as broken out and red today. So we're just going to do something, I guess, kind of simple. I got all my new brushes for my kit, which I'm really happy about. This feels so weird because I'm not using a mirror. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline 102, which is technically going to be too late for me right now, just because, again, it's getting warmer. But this is the latest color that they make. Graveyard Girls video, where she goes to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff. That's kind of what we've been doing for the past couple months. We've been looking for a lot of deals, I guess, of what they found, and I was gonna look up the original prices before I started this video, but I completely forgot. I did not realize that we have a TJ Maxx here where I live, and then once you go up further towards like the Amherst area, the Williamsville area, which is the more bougie area, pretty much. They have like Marshalls and TJ Maxx and Nordstrom and all that fun shit. We went to Marshalls, we found the Too Faced Unicorn Tears Mystical Effects Lipstick. And I did swatch this, and it comes out a blue color, but it turns purple. This is Unicorn Tears. This was originally $10, and it sold for $5.99, so plus tax and stuff like that, which is, tax is more expensive up there. Roughly, it still would have been like $7, but this is the packaging. I know this has been out for a few years, and that's the actual color. Place where it's not foundationalized on me. And this is the color it comes out. So it does start turning like a pinky purple color. I don't know how often I'd wear that, but I think it's kind of a cool style lip topper. So we found at our TJ Maxx. This is Thunderstruck. This is by Kat Von D Beauty. And this is the Metalcrush eyeshadow. This is the swatch. It may or may not show up on me just because I'm super pale. If you hear meowing in the background, it's my cat. She's at my window. She's a pain in the ass. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm not really into, well, this is the Aurora Glow Kit. I'm not really into highlighting stuff, but it's good to have one in your kit. And I can't afford Anastasia. That shit's expensive. So, you guys have seen the Aurora Glow Kit. I did swatch this. It was really pretty. This one is my favorite because it's purple. Duh. It's called Spectra. I don't know if you can see it. Compared to $25, we got it for $17, so about $8, not including tax. Next up is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade face palette. I wanted this so bad because you guys know my obsession for fucking masks and Masquerade in general. This is a very sturdy, heavy palette. It comes with 4 shades for your face, mostly a shimmer metallics palette, and then there's one just matte color in there, and it's brown. And this is the packaging it comes in. It has all the things on the back. So when you open it up, ta-da! I actually did swatch these a little while back, and they were pretty. I'm not really stoked on the brown actually being the matte color. I don't know why, it's just not my thing. This is Mask Off. This is a really strange color, but I like it. I'm not really usually into these. It's like a gold-green mix. I don't know if you guys can see it very well in that lighting. And there's Showtime, which is a darker teal color. And it's really, really pretty. And you can see the swatch just keeps going and going. So I'm going to throw some swatches of the colors that were in it. It's Exposed is the silver one. Sneak Peek is the matte brown that I was talking about. Showtime is the blue one. Mask Off is that greenish gold. Disguise is that royally pinky purple. And 12 a.m. is like this taupe, like dark taupe color. And then these are the blushes, which you have Hidden Secret, Twilight, Enchantment, and Reveal, which I will do, well, I'll try to do in this order. I believe this is a blush. Super Coral. Holy bananas, Batman, you could use this as an eyeshadow. That's like uber pigmented. Okay, so that is all 4 blushes. Also got a couple other things which I actually put in my kit, like a brow kit. Currently didn't have one, like all the different brow colors and stuff and the powders. It's by Profusion. We found that at a Marshall's, I believe. Next thing up is, I know this dropped maybe a couple months ago. This is the NYX Cosmetics Off Tropic palette, Profusion. I was looking for an all color kind of palette, which we found the Spectrum palette, which is going to be probably being used for Pride Parade this year, so definitely I have a swatch of that somewhere, don't know where, but these are closer in terms of the Electric Paradise palette, because there's pigments on here that you can't use on your eyes. I will give you a sneak of just how pigmented this is. The bottom red color. A lot of these are very chalky. I think it's just due to how they're made. So this one's pretty sheer in terms of the swatch, but that's not always how things apply on your face. One metallic in this palette, and it's this gold, and it's not really soft, it's kind of chunky. And you kind of have to work with it to kind of get it to flat. That's the thing. As talking about Profusion, I'm really beginning to like them as a brand. This is the 10 Shade Pro Pigment palette. This is the Spectrum, and we have like kind of a burnt orange. They're very chalky, but there's a lot of color payoff. That's the thing. Some of them are really silky, which I picked up Totally, Peacock, and Lucky. Looks a little yellowy green in the camera, but honestly it's really pretty green. It's a really like Cosmo Wanda green and pink. This is an entire matte palette except for this color down here, which is kind of like a matte with glitter in it. But the colors are beautiful. I'm gonna use this probably on Christine when she comes down. I just swatched Go Girl, Madly, and Dynasty, which are all on the bottom here. And it's these 3 colors here. And this is how they swatch. again, super pretty. It's really not gonna come off very well just because I've been using makeup remover on my hand and on my fingers, so that could be it, but these swatch really cool. Use the shade Bouncy, which is kind of this peachy color right here. Next shade I think I'm gonna go in with that's really kind of close to this is this color Fearless. I know I have this upside down. It's more of an orangey tone, and I know we have a lot of like pink orange going on right now, but I'm gonna focus the orange mostly right here in this area. Okay, so the next color, I think I'm gonna go in with Madly, and we're gonna be really light with this as well. This is gonna be kind of like our outer corner color. The color in here, it's called Lyra. I'm kind of debating on taking Eclipse because it's a little lighter. So this is Lyra. We're gonna put this on our eyes. I kind of like it. I wasn't really planning on actually wearing makeup today. I'm gonna throw some eyeliner on and I'll be back. Okay, so I did my eyeliner. This eye will forever be off eye-wise for my eyeliner. I'm not gonna do any bottom liner just because I think it's too much. The Unicorn Tears lipstick from Too Faced. Ooh, I look good. I do have to say one thing about this though, is that it's gritty, and I think that's from the shimmer in it. Not an everyday look, but it looks good. I did want to use the Pure one more in this look, but I think the colors are too dark, especially just because we're going also into summer and stuff. It's going to be in the 60s the rest of the week here, and then it's supposed to get up to the 70s again. But that's pretty much going to be my video for, I think, this week. I'm 90% sure we're going to be going to the Pride Parade on the 2nd this year. I'm not 100% sure just because I didn't realize what day it was going to be and I haven't been able to put in for it. So if I can go, I can go. If I can't, I can't. So I will probably let you guys know about that on Instagram because that's mainly where I would be posting first. I'm gonna have a detailed video about my Ray cosplay coming out at some point. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to subscribe, please subscribe down below. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up. It keeps me in the loop with things. And if you want to stalk me anywhere else on social media, my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are down below. Facebook.com/IHaveTheNightArt. I post some stuff on there too. That's pretty much my business page. So, and I will see you guys in the next one.